Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix error the file iTunes Library.itl cannot be read in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for File Explorer. The moment you have typed that, go with the best match, click on Open to continue, and this window would appear. Where here you need to proceed with this PC, click on it, go with your local disk, double tap to it, and here you need to go with Program Files. Double tap once again, and look for a folder called iTunes. Okay, once you have find it, double tap to it, and here in the iTunes folder, you need to look for iTunes Library.itl. Again, look for iTunes Library.itl. And once you have find such, in my case, I don't have such, you need to select on it and do a right click and click this trash bin icon. The moment you have click on it, you just have to close this window, proceed with your local a recycle bin, sorry, do a right click and go with empty recycle bin. Click on yes, and once you have emptied it, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.